because this storm door opening wide, and that means heavy rainfall along a completely different kind of pattern than what we had been seeing the past couple of weeks. When it's been cold systems and snow, this is going to be a warm tropical system, an atmospheric river at its purest. Now we're seeing out there at Half Moon Bay this morning, nothing yet. The rainfall is still sitting offshore. You can see all that green sitting west of us. That plunges our direction gradually through the morning. About the only spot that's seen any sort of noticeable rain so far is Point Reyes and along the Sonoma coastline. Most of us, even on the peninsula where you're seeing a little bit of that, maybe a sprinkle or two. That's all we've got so far. Rainfall does get here though, don't worry, and it is going to be increasing in intensity through the day, sending snow level to higher and higher elevations. That's really the concern here, is the fact that snow level climbs to 6,500 to 7,000 feet in elevation. Not just multiple inches of rainfall, but then a lot of washout on that feet of snowfall in some of those lower elevations of the Sierra Nevada, resulting in flooding potential really all across Northern California. Futurecast shows you the arrival of rainfall. It stays pretty light this morning. Nothing to be alarmed about during morning hours. It's the afternoon where we really kick it into gear. This is 1:15 right here. Rainfall pushing in, and those yellow and orange areas indicating heavier pockets. Really heavy on into the evening tonight. You're starting to see those red areas. Those are downpours pushing through the evening into early hours of tomorrow morning. Look at those widespread areas of yellow, orange, and red. That's heavy rain that just continues to push in and in across the Bay Area as we progress into the start of your Friday. Friday morning's commute is going to be a rough one. Now, we will start to see this moisture plume shifting further southward tomorrow, and that does mean even though we will still have showers into the afternoon, they shouldn't be quite as intense tomorrow afternoon. So today we increase intensity. Tomorrow we start to take our foot off the gas a little bit. We will still see showers into Saturday and Sunday, but there'll be a lot more spotty. Rainfall into tomorrow around 12:30 p.m. Looking at 1 to 3 inches in urban areas. For mountainous spots, we could see 4, 6 to even 7 inches of rain. And then we work our way into early next week, and we're going to add more on top of that. Looks likely for another atmospheric river setup into Monday, which will up rainfall totals on what now will be really saturated soils. Winter storm warnings above in those upper elevations of the Sierra, where we'll see multiple feet of snowfall piling up. It's going to be very windy along with this too. Areas like Kirkwood, Donner Summit, as well as Bear Valley, seeing some really impressive snow totals over the weekend. Unfortunately, at lake level at Tahoe, temps are going to be a little on the warm side. That means a slushy mess, if not even some flooding around Lake Tahoe itself. So higher elevations, heavy snow, gusty winds, whiteout conditions likely. That means rough travel. Lower elevations of the Sierra, that potential of flooding as a lot of snowmelt occurs. Now for the Bay Area, also that flooding risk for us too. We have Thursday through Sunday flood watches for the entire viewing area. Temperatures today will be just as warm as yesterday, mid-50s, and getting even warmer into the weekend when we see more and more 60s. Today into tomorrow morning, our heaviest of rainfall. Saturday and Sunday, we'll continue to see showers and heavy rain back again as we kick off next week.